Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today we're going to be looking at this. As you can see, no safety handle. This is a homemade kill switch. Right here is technically the safety. When you would pull the safety handle, it would pull a cord back, run from up there, and would allow the mower to start. The old handle broke and the safety cable would not fit on this mower handle. So what we did was we wired in our kill switch, which for the longest time we didn't actually have a kill switch. We just used a piece of metal and held this back so you could start the mower, but the only way to shut it off was disconnecting the spark plug. So I never made a video about opening all this up, and I'm certainly not going to open all this up now because you have to disconnect the gas tank and all that. But anyways, this is our wired kill switch for the mower. And then me and my dad actually ended up wiring it backwards, so off is in the on position is off, and the off position would be on. So, I don't know. So, let's do a quick startup on it. Hopefully it starts without having to prime it. I just had it running a few minutes ago, so anyways, here we go. Okay, maybe it will need primed. Most reliable starting. Well, I'm sure that was valid back in 2006, but well, there it went. Anyways, me and my dad wanted this mower to run again. It's a great lawnmower. It was made when Craftsman was still their own brand and still selling out of Sears, but great machine. I mean, I like it. So it's just a basic push. There is no self-propelled on it, but it was made around the time this thing was made. Pressure washer, as you can see, it identical motors. So still got to do a project on this yet. Water pump, I believe, is bad, but this one has ready start. But basically the same motor. I mean, they're great motors for sure. When these things were still sold by their own brand. Anyways, that's going to be all for today's video. Hold on. Sneak peek. Can you guess what's going on there? Find out later.